Looking for something new to fix at your next camp out? Try this. Instead of s'mores, make s'more d'oeuvres. First, you need to get your campfire started, then get your skewers soaking. Get you several different toppings, meats, veggies, what have you. Maybe leftover bacon from breakfast. Get you some cheeses. I put a whole bunch right here. I've got a problem with cheese. Get your cheese all nice and melty. Make sure it doesn't fall in the fire. Slide it on your cracker real quick because it's going to be wobbly. Put your toppings on there. Get ready and smush, just like you do a s'more. Doesn't that look good? Now here we got a pizza theme going on. Here's some bacon and avocado. Man, that one was really good. Just smush it down. You can do anything. You can try some kind of fajita style or maybe a Reuben. Any kind you want. Thanks for watching.